Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a video to a colleague in a team conversation using Microsoft Teams on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application, and we need to have access to a video that can be a screen recording or a video taken from a camera or an iPhone. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to the desktop application Microsoft Teams, click on this. Now let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, make sure you are signed into the account, then go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on chat, click on a chat that we are already a part of. As we can see in the last couple of videos, I did introduce or show you how to start a conversation, send a message, send a couple of photos, and receive one back. In this tutorial, we are heavily and primarily focusing on how to send a video. So let's now minimize Microsoft Teams for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to Movies, go to a folder called Videos. Click on that. Make sure you have a video readily available. I'll just highlight the video and copy. Let's just paste this to the desktop so it saves us then having to navigate through folders when it comes to uploading the video via Teams. Go to the dock, go to Microsoft Teams. Now let's go to enlarge the conversation. Go to paperclip, attach, upload from my computer. Navigate to the desktop. There's the video, open. And now this is uploading the video to the conversation. Let's just type a new message. Click on send. And now the video has been sent to the person I was conversing with. In this case, myself, from the main account. I will now click this from my phone just to demonstrate that it has been received. Let's now thumbs up to acknowledge it being received. And now you can see on screen the screenshot of my iPhone viewing the video that was sent from the Mac computer on Teams to the person I am conversing with, in this case myself. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.